Hello everyone, I'm Lehman with MI Windows and Doors, and welcome to another installment of Know Your Window. Today I'm in our Flower Mound, Texas facility where we produce our single-hung 1620 series. A great window for replacement applications and new construction home builds. Plus, with the optional StormArmor package, it makes it the perfect choice for projects along the coast in hurricane-prone areas. The 1620 exterior profile closely resembles brick mold, with a flat appearance making it aesthetically pleasing. The brick mold appearance is a hallmark of the classic American home, providing timeless style and is a great way to enhance the curb appeal of any home. The frame type options include both the nailing fin and finless, and the floor to front flange for masonry block installations. Complementary products such as horizontal sliders, picture windows, and special shapes are available in this series. Operational arch tops, prevalent in the southern region, allow for a single unit to be installed in the opening, as opposed to the common factory stack method with 2 units. The 1620 single hung offers many desirable colors available in white, almond, and clay, both inside and out. The black and bronze exterior laminates with white interior and the recently added black interior, black exterior gives you a wide range of custom looks to meet the current modern design trends. The 1620 single hung mainframe depth is 3 1/4 inches, which is the most common pocket size for replacement installs, allowing the existing parting stops to be reused, and offers custom sizing at 1/8 inch increments on width and 1/4 inch on height. This allows you to get the proper fit for your opening while maximizing your glass viewing area. On the new construction side, a 3.0 by 5.2 meets egress and a 3.0 by 5.6 meets egress for impact, making the 1620 an ideal choice for new builds. The 1620 has a multi-chambered mainframe for enhanced thermal and structural performance. The thick walls of vinyl and honeycomb webbing makes the 1620 durable and built to last. The Sill Design is a combination featuring a 5-degree slope and a deflection shield, which is the upstanding leg on the sill, to help reduce sash deflection and bowing during a storm. The 5-degree sloped sill promotes easy water shedding away from the exterior facade with the offset runoffs. The welds are fusion welded, exceeding test requirements, and cleaned with state-of-the-art robotic cleaners for a consistent low-profile weld. The bottom sash comes with an ergonomically designed integral lift rail, making it easier to grip the sash and operate it. For peace of mind, the locks and keepers are low profile and recessed, allowing you to see the view and not the parts and pieces that make up the window. Dual opposing locks are standard on windows 24 1/8 inches and wider, providing a better performance and a uniform seal in the center. Easy to use night latches are standard on the 1620, allowing for ventilation of the bottom sash. Optional WOCDs are available as well, perfect for new construction and multifamily applications. The bottom sash comes together at the full-length interlock. The interlock is reinforced to add rigidity and strength. Unlike other products, the interlock is not notched out at the locks, providing a more efficient seal when in the lock position. The tilt sash allows for easy cleaning and ventilation of the bottom sash. Plenty of weather stripping wherever vinyl touches vinyl, along with a double compression polypropylene bulb seal that's UV resistant and ensures a tight seal when in the lock position. The inverted constant force balance system allows for safe sash cleaning while providing a quiet and smooth operation when raising and lowering your sash. The state-of-the-art balance system requires less operating force while providing strength and versatility on bigger size windows, such as windows with an offset sash or windows using impact or tempered glass. The coated stainless steel coils resist corrosion and enhance long-term functionality. And more importantly, the coils are encased in a plastic box, protecting them from dust, dirt, and construction debris. The 1620 comes standard with double-strength glass, reducing the chances of stress cracks and glass breakage on the job site, as well as offering many other energy-efficient glass packages. Low-E argon meets the North Central Climate Zone requirements for Energy Star. High-performance argon meets the criteria for Energy Star in the South and South Central zones. Upgraded glass packages include impact for areas prone to hurricanes and Cardinal 340 geared towards homeowners in the South looking to reduce the solar heat gain. Optional privacy glass packages are available, such as rain or obscure glass, perfect for a bathroom window or front door side light. Finally, the optional glass breakage warranty on the finless non-impact 1620 gives the end user peace of mind that they are covered for any accidental glass breakage. The 1620 single hung series is available now for your next replacement, new construction, or multifamily project. For more information or ordering options, please contact your local MI representative or authorized MI dealer. I certainly hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, I'll see you on the other side of the glass.